Hi everyone. We named this green jewel La Esmeralda, Spanish for emerald. Our conversion shines in an incredibly deep green, accented by gold and silver lines. With our special Chicano package we turned the heritage into a Mexican-American bike of a very special class. For the style-defining components, we reached into our Chicano box and installed, among other things, the curved fenders from the Dorado series. Underneath roll our digger wheels in 23 and 18 inches, original 16 inches, with whitewall shinkos and brake discs from our spoke series. Again, we used our Chicano triple trees to go with our swingarm conversion with upsweept that brings the wheel deep into the fender. This maintains the positive handling characteristics of the Softail. What makes the Esmeralda special, besides the deep green paint, is the generously curved handlebar which is sitting on our short old-style risers. That beach bar makes an upright and dignified sitting posture possible. If you lower the bike with the air rides on the front and rear, the Esmeralda is one of the lowest custom bikes in our showroom. Emeralds are very rare and highly sought after. Let's see how long this fantastic bike will be with us.
Thanks for watching.